Good morning, guys. My name is Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on the Jeep, but also on the Nissan that's right behind that door right there. We will be doing the oil change and a few other things like changing the air filter, which the air filter, if you're here for that, super easy. A couple of screws, one there, looks like this will pop right off then. Oh, just kidding. There's one in the back and one over there as well. We'll change that. We've got a cabin filter. Don't worry, I'll make individual videos for each of these things just so that you know. However, the oil change, I do believe we've already got one of those videos, so not really going to go in detail there. But our Jeep has the 3.6 liter V6 naturally aspirated. There's no turbo here. Sadly, that would be really cool. We got a chopper in the background, and we're gonna roll that intro. Alright, just show you guys what we're gonna be using. I've got some Mobil 1 0 weight 20 here. We have the STP extended life oil filter, and it's S11665XL for the part number. Then we've got the air filter, SA536, and then we got the cabin filter, which is STP as well, CAF15026P. So those are all the parts that we're going to be changing out today. We'll make separate videos for each of these just so that there's a full how-to video. But first up, oil change. So we're going to set these down. Alright, so under the car, right here, is where we're going to need to have to break loose our drain plug. And then make sure you got your oil pan ready. Now you don't want to do this when it's hot, like when the oil's hot. So make sure your oil is cool, and we should start having some flow real soon here. Oh yeah. There we go, just like that. Perfect. Alright, so now that we've got that draining, we're going to use our 24mm wrench here. And it's gonna go right on top of that guy, and then you'll break it loose. I've already loosened mine. I'm gonna turn on my light. There you go. Now you can really see. And once we unscrew this enough, there is our oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that and put the new one on with the new ring as well. Alright, we're going to take this ring off of here and put the new ring on. So I've got a pick to help pull that off. Boop, just like that. We'll throw that one away and we're going to put the new one on. Alright, just going to stretch the new O-ring. Ah! We're going to fling the O-ring. This is difficult one-handed, but it can be done. And we will get her on there. And it sits all the way in that groove right there. So now that's good. Now we can put the new filter inside of there. It should click, and then you should be able to hold it upside down. And now we'll put it back in there. Right back down in there. And we're going to screw this thing hand tight. Get my hand on everything in there. And then I'm going to put this on here and give it just a quarter turn. Like that right there. Perfect. Take my rag and wipe it up, and we'll go underneath because it should be finished draining. Then we can put the plug in and we can fill it up with new oil. Alright, so we're still dripping some, so we're just gonna wait it out until we put the drain plug back in. And then we're gonna get that hand tight and do a quarter turn on it as well. Alright, now we're gonna pour our oil in here. Get it filled up, and it's gonna take about 5 quarts, which is this whole thing. So we'll just pour it all in there. We'll go to 4 quarts, check it, and then like start it, check it, and pour more in. Alright, now we're just gonna start the Jeep. And we'll go check the oil, but first we're gonna reset the oil life. So we're gonna go to vehicle information, see it says oil change required, and I believe right there, yep, oil life. You're gonna press and hold the OK. So I'm pushing hold OK. Oh, I guess the engine's gotta be off with the ignition on run. So now we got started. We're just gonna get it to run. And then go back to that screen. There we go. Push and hold the OK. Bam, now it's reset and we're ready to rock and roll. Alright, there we go. So we got the cap back on, the dipstick back in, and it is good to go. If you guys enjoy this video, click the like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great night. God bless y'all.